On the 16th of February, a coalition of Palestinian footballers, clubs and advocacy organizations formally referred the leadership of FIFA and UEFA to the International Criminal Court. The complaint, running to 120 pages, alleges that FIFA President Gianni Infantino and UEFA President Alexander Ceferin may have aided and abetted war crimes and crimes against humanity. At the center of the filing is the continued recognition of Israeli settlement clubs operating in occupied West Bank territory. Under FIFA statutes, clubs are not permitted to operate on the territory of another member association without approval. Critics argue that Israeli clubs based in settlements are playing on land widely recognized under international law as occupied Palestinian territory. They claim that by permitting these clubs to compete domestically and internationally, football's governing bodies are normalizing settlement activity, declared unlawful by international legal institutions. Supporters of the referral also point to what they see as inconsistency. Russia was suspended from international football following its invasion of Ukraine, yet no comparable sanction has been applied in relation to Israeli settlement clubs. The filing argues that allowing these clubs to operate contributes to the transfer of civilian populations into occupied territory. It further claims that restrictions affecting Palestinian participation in certain settlement clubs raise serious legal and human rights concerns. The International Criminal Court will now conduct a preliminary examination. Prosecutors must determine whether the court has jurisdiction, whether the case is admissible, and whether proceeding would serve the interests of justice. The ICC could decide not to open an investigation. Alternatively, it could move forward, which would represent a historic moment for global sport governance. Football is more than entertainment. It is a multi-billion-pound global industry with immense cultural influence. Decisions taken at the top reverberate far beyond the pitch. The ICC now faces a decision that could test the meaning of neutrality in international sport. This is Shepherd Lens Media. Independent, unfiltered, human. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel.